Hello everyone, so welcome to my page. In this video, I will talk about how you can improve on your English language. Many of you have asked me about how to improve your language, especially English. Okay, and in this video, I will try to give you very practical and lessons that I have learned and how you can improve your English language. Look, before telling any suggestion, what I would like to tell is it's not a single day work. Okay, you cannot master over any language in a single day. You have to continuously work on that language. Continuously you have to work. Okay, because if you see somebody who is speaking a good English, it's not that they have learned it in a 1 month course. No, if I have to talk about my case, I have a strong academic background. I was taught in English medium school, and that has helped me indirectly to speak in English. Not that much well, but at least I can speak. So I will, from that experience, I will suggest you how you can improve on English. Okay, and again a disclaimer: please don't focus on learning accent or you want to showcase that you speak English. Okay, you have to keep it as simple as it is, and you have to be very natural when you're speaking, because when you're speaking it should not be like you're trying to make sound that you are speaking English. No, it should be as real and as original as you are. Okay, and for that it will come slowly and eventually when you are focusing, when you're learning it daily. Okay, so the easiest and the quickest thing that the way that I tell anybody is that there is four steps through which you can learn English. First is that you have to read English. Start from very basic sentences. For example, Ram eats apple, right? Or why Ram eat apple is wrong sentence. It is as basic as it is. And these things are when you learn, when you observe through your learning skills, and that will also eventually help you to gather more vocabularies and words, and it will help you out, right? So the first thing that you're going to do is read newspapers, read non-fiction book, read stories, or whatever interest you have. Just read that content or short stories in English language. First thing. Second thing that you're going to do is write some. It's just as if you're a student and you're listening lectures from an English teacher, then just note down whatever he's telling in English, and when you write it down, it will eventually improve, right? So second thing is that you have to write. Now third thing is you listen good English podcasts, listen to good speakers the way you feel is will resonate yourself, which will resonate to you. So listen to the good speaking English speakers, podcasts, interviews, or news channels, English news channels, English songs also. It can be as interesting as it can be, right? You can make it interesting, you can make it fun as well. Third was you have to listen in English. Fourth thing that you have to do is you have to talk English, even if it's a broken English that we call it. So speaking in a broken English, even if it's broken English, you can speak. You have to speak. Even if there are some people who make fun out of you, but people will not eventually. Those who make fun are not your people. So you have to speak whenever you are with your friends, whenever you're with your family, whenever you're with your siblings. If you have to shout at them, just shout at them in English. So that's how you learn it. These four ways is through which you will learn English, right? And now there are certain things that remedies that I will try to give to you is that start from very basic grammar. Start from tenses like past tense, present tense, future tense. You have to learn that. Start from very basic grammar, when you have to use plural words, singular word, very basic grammar. For that, if you have to take course, you can take certain online free certain free online courses that is available in the YouTube, or somebody or if you can read yourself English now, you can take any basic grammar book and you can just learn it by yourself, right? It's that easy. And if you have certain background of an English teacher, and if you have certain good English teacher in your school or school, back to your school days, then that will help you. Just revise it back, and that is important. That basic grammar is very important that you have to work on. Now next thing that I want to tell is, whenever you are learning, just try to grab certain vocabs, or whenever you are coming through any newspapers articles, certain vocab is there, or if you don't know the meaning of it, just google it out. Just google it out. You don't have to keep a thick dictionary today in today's time, right? Just google it out and find the meaning of that word. Or and now another major trick that I'm going to suggest is, what you have to do is, everyday speaking words, everyday sentences that we are supposed to use it daily, prepare that beforehand. It can be as simple like, if you have to ask your friend, okay, what is your hobby or what is your interest, prepare it beforehand. There are certain words, certain sentences that are used regularly, and that you have to use it regularly. Certain vocabulary you can learn it by yourself. Just Google it, research it, and prepare it. You don't have to mug it, but you can prepare it that well as well. Okay, prepare certain lines, certain sentences beforehand, which you will use daily, and eventually you will build up your the language, you command over that language. Okay, so that's all. And very last advice, and which I already told you before, is don't focus on accent, don't focus on how you are speaking, focus on what you are speaking, focus on making simple language, focus on speaking simpler, and making the other person understand and making yourself understand. Read, write, listen, speak. So these are the four ways through which you can improve your English language on. Thank you, and I hope it is helpful, because many of you are asking. I hope it helped you out. Thank you.